Hey there guys, it's Ryan with MRH Recommends. Hope everybody's doing well today. Just want to bring you some new information. We have created a new Facebook group called Affiliate Marketing for the Technically Challenged. When I first started the affiliate marketing business, I kind of took for granted setting up my ClickFunnels and my aWeber account, my autoresponder, my campaigns, all that stuff. I kind of took for granted because I've been doing IT work for the last 20 years. And then I got to thinking, maybe there's some people out there that don't really know how to do any of that stuff. They're kind of timid about starting up a business because they don't think that they can do an online business because they don't have the knowledge or the technical expertise they need to get stuff created. Honestly, it's not difficult, but that's what we created our Facebook page for. If anybody's having any trouble with anything, we want to know. I'd be glad to help anybody out. We're going to start posting some videos on some few little things, some tutorials on how to do things in ClickFunnels or in aWeber, but just want to see what people are having trouble with. I'd be glad to help anybody out. Somewhere around this video, click the link and it'll take you to our page where you'll be able to join the group, the Facebook group, and there's a couple of other things that may interest you as far as getting started with an affiliate marketing business. So yeah, look forward to videos to come, but if anybody's got any questions or comments, please leave them here and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks.